Welcome to Prime Product Picks. The best travel laundry is probably one of the most essential items for any traveler who wants to maintain fresh and clean clothes on the go. Whether you're backpacking through Southeast Asia, embarking on a cross-country road trip, or simply enjoying a weekend getaway, having a reliable travel laundry detergent powder can make all the difference in your travel experience. It's compact, lightweight, and incredibly effective at removing dirt, stains, and odors, ensuring your clothes stay fresh and ready for your next adventure. Number 5. Earth Breeze Laundry Sheets, 60 loads. Tired of bulky detergent jugs? These convenient sheets are designed to replace them. They are easy to use and perfect for both home and travel. These sheets tackle tough stains and odors effectively. They are designed to work in both hot and cold water, ensuring your clothes come out fresh and clean. These sheets are gentle on sensitive skin and free from harsh chemicals. They are also eco-friendly, helping you reduce plastic waste. Enjoy the light, fresh scent that leaves your laundry smelling great. These sheets provide a subtle fragrance that lasts after every wash. Simplify your laundry with these pre-measured sheets. They are compatible with all washing machines, eliminating mess and waste, making them ideal for travel. With every order, the company donates detergent to those in need. It's a product that cleans your clothes and supports a good cause. What we like? These eco-friendly sheets are tough on stains but gentle on your skin, making them perfect for everyday use. They are also designed to be gentle on the planet. If you are looking for a convenient and eco-conscious way to do laundry, you should consider these. What people say. They clean our clothes really well, smell fresh without being overpowering, and most importantly haven't caused any irritation. The sheets take up no space in our laundry room, are super easy to use, and are perfect for travel. The sheets dissolve quickly in both hot and cold water, and I've had no issues with residue. Number 4. Breezeo Laundry Detergent Strips, Fresh Linen Scent. Tired of bulky detergent containers? This is the new way to do laundry. It's more convenient than pods, packs, liquids, or powders. These strips dissolve completely in hot or cold water. Simply place them in the washer drum before adding clothes. It's that easy. This product is EPA Safer Choice certified, meaning it contains safer ingredients. It's also a USDA certified bio-based product, made with renewable materials. Lightweight and mess-free, they're perfect for home, dorms, travel, camping, and hand washing. It's a space-saving solution for any lifestyle. These hypoallergenic strips are made in North America. Try them today and experience the future of laundry care. What we like? The convenient strip format dissolves completely in hot or cold water, making laundry a breeze. It's also EPA Safer Choice certified, ensuring safer ingredients for your family and the environment. If you are looking for a mess-free and eco-friendly option for travel or small spaces, you should consider these. What people say. They dissolve completely, clean clothes really well, and are great for travel too. I threw a few sheets in my suitcase along with my clothing, and would seek out a coin-operated washing machine in my hotel. Even good hotels have them. I didn't have to pay the ridiculous price the hotel wanted for a single load package of detergent, and my clothes were nearly as clean as they would be at home. They are lightweight and take up little room. No more going to a strange store in a third world country to buy crazy-priced laundry detergent. Also, you can just tear a small piece off and wash by hand in a sink if necessary. Think cruise ships. Number 3. Kind Laundry Detergent Sheets. Introducing Kind Laundry Detergent Sheets. These sheets use a special formula with tea seed oil and plant-based cleaners to fight stains. It's a strong and effective way to clean your clothes. Forget messy measuring in bulky bottles. This laundry sheet dissolves quickly in water. Just put it in with your clothes and start the wash. These cruelty-free sheets use plant-based ingredients. It's a gentle and natural choice for your family and pets. This is a great alternative to traditional detergents. These sheets work in any washing machine, top load or front load. They work in all water temperatures and are safe for septic systems. You can use it anywhere. Take these waterless sheets with you wherever you go. They are small and light, perfect for travel. They are a must-have for your travel laundry kit. What we like? These sheets use a plant-powered formula with stain-fighting enzymes, ensuring powerful cleaning. They are also incredibly travel-friendly, fitting easily into any bag. If you like a natural and effective laundry solution for your travels, you should consider these. What people say. Gets the clothes super clean and smells fresher than any other brand I've ever used. The sheets take up a fraction of the space as the bottles, boosters, etc. I was surprised how effective the sheets are at cleaning evenly heavily soiled items. No chemical fragrance odors. I won't go back to the liquid soaps. Easy to use, does not take up much space and no strong smell of washing powder to make me sneeze. Number 2. Scent-free laundry detergent sheets, 32 sheets. Experience the cleaning power of high-grade detergent in a convenient strip. This product effortlessly removes stains and spills, while preserving the colors of your clothes. This detergent is completely water-soluble and low-sudsing, ensuring no residue is left behind on your clothes or in your washing machine. It's designed to work with all types of washers. Forget about bulky jugs and messy powders. Each sheet is pre-measured, making laundry day simpler than ever. It's lightweight and perfect for travel. This product is free of parabens, dyes, phosphates, and bleach. It's gentle on your hands and safe for baby clothes, with a scent-free option for sensitive skin. Save space and money with this spill-free solution. It eliminates the need for heavy detergent bottles and boxes, offering a compact and cost-effective alternative. What we like. These hypoallergenic and scent-free sheets are perfect for sensitive skin and baby clothes. They offer concentrated cleaning power in a convenient format. If you have sensitive skin or prefer fragrance-free products, you should consider these. What people say. The scent is fresh, but not overpowering and cleans exceptionally well. Earthwash has solved this problem. No plastic jugs necessary. No pods not dissolving properly and clogging pipes and drains. As for the Earthwash product, been using it for a couple of weeks now. It cleans clothes well. The scent is light. No skin irritations. Easy to store and easy to use. I also like that you can cut sheet in half for small loads and use partial sheets for hand washing. Easy to use and teach teenagers how to do their own laundry and not waste detergent. Gets laundry clean without a chemical smell. We have the unscented version. Number 1. WashEZE 10CT Laundry Sheets. This is an all-in-one solution, combining detergent, stain fighter, fabric softener, and static control. It's a trusted brand that has been around for over 20 years. Each sheet is designed for one full load of laundry, making it perfect for college students. It's also great for travel, dorms, apartments, and more. It easily fits in a drawer and eliminates spills. This product has been used by the US military for over 10 years and is made in the USA. It's a space-saving solution for small living quarters, eliminating spills and simplifying laundry. These laundry soap sheets eliminate odors and are optimized for all machine types. They are phosphate-free and safe for all fabrics, colors, temperatures, and septic tanks. These sheets are travel-friendly and can even be used without a washing machine. For a small sink wash, you can cut a sheet in half. It is the perfect travel detergent on the go. Traditional laundry detergents can be messy and take up a lot of space. Measuring often leads to spills. With these eco laundry sheets, one sheet equals one load, eliminating the need for measuring and preventing spills. What we like. These all-in-one sheets combine detergent, fabric softener, and stain fighter in one convenient package. They are also military-grade and perfect for travel or dorm use. If you are looking for a simple, space-saving solution for your laundry needs, you should consider these. What people say. Simply throw in with wash and then move to dryer with load and toss in trash when done. The package packs well and weighs very little. Clothes came out clean, soft, and static-free. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.